Your windows do more than provide a view. They play a major role in how comfortable and healthy your home feels every day. If your current windows are outdated or underperforming, you may be dealing with drafts, poor airflow, and uneven temperatures without even realizing it. For homeowners in Mandeville, upgrading to new windows can dramatically improve both indoor comfort and air circulation, creating a more enjoyable living environment. One of the most noticeable improvements new windows provide is better temperature control. Older windows often have worn seals or single-pane glass that allow air to leak in and out. This makes it difficult to maintain a consistent indoor temperature, especially in Mandeville's warm and humid climate. New windows are designed with advanced insulation features like double or triple pane glass and tight sealing systems. These features help keep cool air inside and block out heat, resulting in a more stable and comfortable indoor environment. Improved airflow is another major benefit of upgrading your windows. Many modern window styles are specifically designed to enhance ventilation. Whether it's casement, awning, or slider windows, these designs allow you to control how much air enters your home and from which direction. In Mandeville, where fresh air can help reduce indoor humidity, this improved ventilation makes a big difference in how your home feels. Cross ventilation is especially important for maintaining comfort, and new windows make it easier to achieve. By strategically placing operable windows throughout your home, you can create a natural airflow path that allows fresh air to circulate freely. This helps remove stale air and replace it with clean, outdoor air, making your living space feel fresher and more inviting. Humidity control is another key advantage. High humidity levels can make your home feel warmer than it actually is and can lead to issues like mold or mildew. New windows help regulate moisture by allowing better airflow and preventing unwanted air leaks. This creates a healthier indoor environment and reduces the risk of moisture-related problems. Another way new windows improve comfort is by eliminating drafts. Drafts are often caused by gaps or poor sealing in older windows, leading to hot or cold spots throughout your home. With properly installed replacement windows, these issues are minimized. The result is a more even temperature across all rooms, making your home more comfortable no matter where you are. Natural light also plays a role in indoor comfort, and new windows are designed to maximize it. Larger glass areas and improved clarity allow more sunlight to enter your home, brightening your living spaces and creating a more open, welcoming atmosphere. At the same time, modern glass technologies help control heat gain, so you can enjoy natural light without overheating your space. Noise reduction is another benefit that contributes to overall comfort. New windows with multiple panes and improved sealing help block outside noise, creating a quieter indoor environment. Whether you're relaxing, working, or spending time with family, reduced noise levels make your home feel more peaceful. Ease of use is another factor that enhances daily comfort. Older windows can be difficult to open or close, limiting your ability to adjust airflow when needed. New windows are designed for smooth operation, allowing you to easily let in fresh air whenever you want. This convenience encourages better use of your windows, further improving ventilation and comfort. Energy efficiency is closely tied to comfort as well. When your windows help maintain indoor temperatures more effectively, your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard. This not only reduces energy costs but also ensures your home remains consistently comfortable throughout the day. Finally, new windows contribute to a healthier living environment. With improved airflow, reduced humidity, and better insulation, your home becomes a space where air quality is enhanced and comfort is prioritized. This is especially important for families looking to create a safe and enjoyable home. In the end, upgrading to new windows in Mandeville is about more than just appearance, it's about transforming how your home feels. With better airflow, improved temperature control, and enhanced comfort, new windows provide lasting benefits that you and your family can enjoy every day.